Happy Friday, first grade! Today we will write two complete statements, two complete sentences that are statements about your favorite animal. You get to draw a picture of your favorite animal and tell me two things about your animal. So first you're going to draw a picture and then you're going to write two statements telling me what you know about your favorite animal. This is important so that we can become better writers. Remember that our statements have to have capital letters. They have to have the correct punctuation, which is a period. Have to have a subject, have to have a predicate. But first, before we do that, let me show you how I write about my favorite animal. My favorite animal, we're going to pretend like my favorite animal today, because it changes. My favorite animal is a bear. So I'm going to draw a picture of a bear. He's got some cute little ears and eyes and a mouth. It's more like a little teddy bear, right? This is my bear. Okay, so here's his feet, here's his little arms, okay, and his mouth. So this bear of mine, I need to think of some ideas, some things that I know about the bear. So what do I know about a bear? I'm going to make a web. The web, in the middle of the web is my animal. Bear. Okay? This doesn't look like a web yet because I haven't added information about the bear. But when I think of something, then I'm going to add to the web. So my animal is the bear. I know that bears have cute ears. So they have cute ears. Okay, so I know bears have cute ears. So there's one thing I know about bears. Or one thing I like about bears. Maybe I don't know too much. I just think their ears are cute. But I do know that they like to eat fish. All right, so bears eat fish. Okay? So my web only has two parts to it because we only have to write two sentences. If you know more information about your bear or your animal, then you can add as many parts as you want. Today, you only have to do two. Okay, we're only going to write two statements about your favorite animal. So now, looking at this web, I have my animal in the middle. I have two things I know or that I like about bears. I have my silly picture. I'm not even going to say that even looks like a bear, but we're going to pretend today. That's a bear. And now I am ready to write my statements about my bear. Okay? So my first statement about my bear . Number one, my first statement, bears have cute ears. Oh, what did I remember to start my sentence with? A capital letter, that's right. Bears have cute ears. What did I put at the end of my sentence? Good, you remembered I needed to have a period at the end of my sentence. So let's make sure we have a complete sentence that makes sense. Bears have cute ears. Does that tell us who has cute ears? Bears. Does it tell us what bears do or what bears have? Yes, they have cute ears. Does that sentence make sense? Yes. And I have my capital and I have my period. Okay? Now I'm ready to write sentence number 2. I'm going to use the other idea that I wrote down about my bear. Bears eat fish. So what does my sentence need to begin with? A capital letter. That's right. Bears. What do bears do? Eat fish. So I'm going to write eat fish. What does a statement need to end with? That's right. A statement ends with a period because it is just telling you something. It is telling you a sentence about something. This sentence is about bears. Bears eat fish. Bears have cute ears. Now I'm going to take a picture of it and I'm going to turn it into my Google Classroom. This is what you are going to do in your journal. You're going to draw the web, draw your animal. Then you're going to draw the web and 2 things you know about your animal. Then the next part is to write 2 statements about your favorite animal. Then you're going to take a picture and turn it into your Google Classroom. Have a great week in 1st grade.